How to transfer money from CIBC to SIMPLII. Log into your CIBC account on the official website or app. Navigate to the Transfers or Transfer Funds section. Select Transfer to another bank or external account transfer. Enter your SIMPLII account details, including account number and institution. Choose the CIBC account from which you want to transfer funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your SIMPLII account. Review the transfer details for accuracy before proceeding. Confirm the transfer to initiate the process. Wait for a message indicating the transfer was successful. Ensure the transferred amount appears correctly in the SIMPLII account. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.